In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or import a calendar to Outlook 365. We'll use Outlook on the web, and by the end, your events will be sitting right inside your Outlook calendar. First, open your browser and go to outlook.live.com. Sign in if you're prompted, and once you're in, look for the calendar icon. It's in the left sidebar. Clicking it switches you from Mail to the Calendar view. Now that you're in Calendar, find the Add Calendar button. Depending on your layout, it appears above your calendar list on the left. Click it to open the Options panel, then choose Upload from File. This option is perfect when you've exported a calendar from another service and have a file ready to go. The most common format is ICS, which preserves event details, recurrence, and reminders. CSV can work too, but ICS usually produces the best results. Click Browse, then navigate to the calendar file on your computer. If you just exported it, check your Downloads folder. Select the file and click Open. Back in Outlook, you'll see a place to choose where those events should land. You can import into an existing calendar like your default one, or let Outlook create a new calendar so the events stay separate. Keeping imported events in a new calendar makes it easier to toggle them on and off or remove them later without affecting your primary schedule. When you're ready, click Import. Outlook will upload the file and process the events. For larger calendars, give it a moment. When the import finishes, your events will appear on the dates they belong. If times look off, verify your time zone in Outlook settings and try the import again with the correct zone applied. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Use ICS whenever possible for cleaner recurring events. If you see duplicates, it usually means the same file was imported more than once. Consider importing into a new calendar so you can remove it in one click if needed. If the import fails, double check that the file extension is ICS or .csv and that the file isn't empty. You can color code the newly imported calendar and toggle its visibility from the list on the left, which helps distinguish it from your main one. If you are importing a work or school calendar, confirm you're signed into the right account before you begin. That's it. You've added an external calendar to Outlook 365 using Upload from File, and your schedule is now consolidated in one place. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.